So I'm so excited today to open this box. I ordered a travel map for my wall. So let's get started. Okay. I love the packaging of this box. It's so cute. So first of all, we have these cool stickers here, and then an instruction booklet how to paste these wood pieces to the wall, and then some other warranty card and some more stuff here. And then let's see what this is. This is a tiny box. Okay, I guess this is the tape to attach the pieces to the wall. Oh, look at that. So cute. And then we have these wooden pieces. I guess these are islands, and I can see an aeroplane here and a boat. So I think these are cutouts that we can paste. Similarly, this is in brown, and I can see the directions north, south, east, and west here, and Indonesia. Then we also got this little package here, and oh, look at that. We have our oceans, Atlantic Ocean, then all our oceans there. And then I'm not sure what this is, but just some paper cutouts. Oh wow, this looks so good. I love the colors here. So it's a nice gradient of brown, and they are all at different heights. So this looks pretty cool. And let's see, what countries do we have? We have Russia, then we have Brazil. I'm so excited to pull all of them out. And they are packed very nicely with this paper here. Okay, so next one we have Africa, and each country you can see here is separate, which I think we can pull out if we want. But this looks so amazing. Okay, so what else do we have here? We have Europe here, and this also looks so good with all these colors, and the quality of the wood is very nice, and it has an amazing fragrance to it as well. Okay, so now we have Australia. Then we have Mexico as well. Oh, the Greenland here is huge. I wish I could paint it with snow. And then we get the biggest one, I guess, here, which is Asia. We have China, India, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and everything, and Nepal, Bangladesh as well. This looks so cute. And then we have some smaller ones here. Okay, and then finally we have the United States of America along with Canada. It's the North American continent. And Alaska is separate here. And the good thing here is that all states are separate. So this is where I live. Okay, and then that's all, but I don't know what these are. I think these are just 3 pieces of wood. Oh no, it says Antarctica. And then that's all. Now what we'll have to do is we'll have to arrange the map and then use that sticky tape and paste it to the wall. And when I'll do that, I'll make another video. Thank you so much.